It's been 24 hours since the verdict that came in the Maligaon 2008 blast case. All were acquitted. But there's a big revelation that has come in the case. A former anti-terror squad officer says, and I quote him here, was asked to arrest Mohan Bhagwat, who's now RSS chief. ATS Insider's sensational claim on the investigation says that he was expected and forced to prove that there is saffron terror. This big revelation is coming in from the Maligaon blast case and how there were orders given to go after the RSS, even arrest Mohan Bhagwat. This is former ATS officer Mehboob Mujawwar's revelation, and he said that looking at how there have been acquittal that have come in of all the 7 accused, but specifically, and this is a big exclusive that I want to mention, speaking to the India Today group, the officer has said that there was a then investigating officer, Paramveer Singh, who ordered the arrest of Mohan Bhagwat, who's now RSS chief, and that there was pressure on him to prove that there is saffron terror.
त्याशिवाय आदरणीय मोहन भागवत यांना सुद्धा पकडून आणा असा आदेश होता. मी का ते केलेलं नाही. त्यामुळे त्यांच्या लक्षात आलं त्या परमवीर सिंगच्या आणि वरिष्ठ अधिकाऱ्याच्या त्या लॉबीच्या त्या अप्रोप्रिएट ऑथॉरिटीच्या की याला सगळं गोपनीयता माहिती आहे. हा कुठेतरी वाच्यता करेल म्हणून माझी बदनामी व्हावी म्हणून माझ्यावर खोटे गुन्हे दाखल करण्यात आले होते. खोटे गुन्हे दाखल करून पार माझं आयुष्य बर्बाद केले यांनी. मी त्याच्यातून निर्दोष सुटलो. त्यामध्ये हे सगळे मुद्दे मी मांडले. माझे वकील ॲडव्होकेट DN भडंगे होते. त्यांनी व्यवस्थितरित्या ह्या सगळे मुद्दे कागदोपत्री जे काय आहे ते कोर्टासमोर सादर करण्यात आले होते इथल्या. त्या आधारावरती मी निर्दोष सुटलो. तेच कागदपत्र पुन्हा NIAच्या कोर्टामध्ये गेले आणि त्याच्यातनं काय निष्पन्न झालंय मला माहित नाही अजूनपर्यंत. आज उद्या समजेल जजमेंटमध्ये काय आलं ते.
Vidya joins me for the latest on that. Vidya, this is already now blowing up with the kind of tremors we see as a surround sound. Tell us more about this huge revelation. Clearly a former officer and saying this on record. Why is he speaking up now, you believe? And tell us about the key takeaways that he's mentioning.
Well, it's not really the first time that he's really speaking about it, though he has spoken about it earlier as well and was dismissed, as a disgruntled officer. But, he has spoken earlier. Remember, about 2 missing people in this entire Maligaon case. There are 2 people who are as yet shown as wanted by the investigating agencies, that is Kalsangra and Dange. About them as well, this officer had filed an affidavit in a court and had said very clearly that these people are not alive, and after which there was quite a bit of ruffling that had happened. However, this officer's timing, the fact that there is a judgment that has come about, there's a huge political showdown between the Congress and the BJP. With this, the officer stating the same will certainly, not go down well with the Congress leaders, who have actually decided to keep mum right now after the initial, remember they have already burned their fingers when they spoke about the saffron terror earlier. Not many Congress leaders are coming out and speaking about it now again. However, at this juncture, with the officer's revelation, it will really have to be seen if this is really taken seriously and some legal, pathways drawn up so that any legal action can be taken on this revelation, or is it just a person speaking and the end of the story? Well, we really have to see that.
Stay on with me, Vidya, because whether it's a claim or whether he's going out to and will have some evidence backed on it, but he's making serious charge. He's saying that there was pressure on him when he was in the anti-terror squad in Maharashtra to build up, while there was this narrative, remember, that had come in that this is saffron terror or Hindu terror. Eventually, now that the accused have been acquitted for lack of evidence, the officer on your screen, and let's just listen him briefly again to what he's saying and why, that there was pressure on him to arrest Mohan Bhagwat.
आदरणीय मोहन भागवत यांना सुद्धा पकडून आणा असा आदेश होता. मी का ते केलेलं नाही. त्यामुळे त्यांच्या लक्षात आलं त्या परमवीर सिंगच्या आणि वरिष्ठ अधिकाऱ्याच्या त्या लॉबीच्या त्या अप्रोप्रिएट ऑथॉरिटीच्या की याला सगळं गोपनीयता माहिती आहे. हा कुठेतरी वाच्यता करेल म्हणून माझी बदनामी व्हावी म्हणून माझ्यावर खोटे गुन्हे दाखल करण्यात आले होते. खोटे गुन्हे दाखल करून पार माझं आयुष्य बर्बाद केले यांनी. मी त्याच्यातून निर्दोष सुटलो. त्यामध्ये हे सगळे मुद्दे मी मांडले. माझे वकील ॲडव्होकेट DN भडंगे होते. त्यांनी व्यवस्थितरित्या ह्या सगळे मुद्दे कागदोपत्री जे काय आहे ते कोर्टासमोर सादर करण्यात आलं होतं इथल्या. त्या आधारावरती मी निर्दोष सुटलो. तेच कागदपत्र पुन्हा NIAच्या कोर्टामध्ये गेले आणि त्याच्यातनं काय निष्पन्न झालंय मला माहित नाही अजूनपर्यंत. आज उद्या समजेल जजमेंटमध्ये काय आलं ते. त्याशिवाय
So, as Vidya is telling me that the controversy is also as about whether this officer will now be taken in consideration by other senior officers, by the government as well. But Vidya, also tell me about the political showdown. Like you're telling us, Congress is slightly on the caution right now. They don't want to go all out because now all of their previous statements spoken years ago are coming back as old ghosts to haunt them. But what about the showdown on statements like this and a day later of the verdict?
There has been the statement made earlier as well. But then, most of the Congress leaders not speaking on this issue any further. We did speak to this, but obviously the BJP is going all guns about it. In fact, Ram Kadam, the BJP leader from Mumbai and the MLA, he also has spoken in the morning. He was speaking and he spoke about how this actually fortifies the entire claim of the BJP that to this entire case was actually created to nail certain BJP and RSS leaders, and that's one of the reasons why this entire labeling of saffron terror was done. So obviously these are claims and counter claims, but whether this anything, because now this Mehboob Mujawar is actually retired, whether the statement made by Mehboob Mujawar will actually be taken forward, where there will be some kind of an action that will be seen, that will be worthwhile to see. Though as of now, none of the people in the authority have actually reacted to that, except for this BJP leader from Mumbai.
And also now that he's mentioned a former senior officer as well, saying Paramveer Singh forced me, he was then investigating officer, forced me and ordered the arrest of Mohan Bhagwat.